Welcome to your next cozy upgrade with the Westinghouse 50-inch electric fireplace heater designed for stylish warmth. This versatile unit fits perfectly in 49 by 15-inch openings and can be wall-mounted or recessed for a sleek look. Customize your ambiance with 144 flame and ember color combinations, 5 brightness levels, and 5 flame speeds, plus interchangeable log and crystal ember beds. Enjoy personalized comfort with adjustable heater settings and a thermostat ranging from 62 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Control your fireplace easily using Alexa, Google Home, the Westinghouse app, or the included remote for ultimate convenience. Just remember to allow 11.8 inches of clearance above and avoid plugging other devices into the same circuit. Elevate your home's warmth and style with this smart, modern electric fireplace. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.